Finding the best car accident attorney. A car accident attorney is a type of personal injury attorney. You can be overwhelmed by the number of options there are in your area. It seems like every commercial bus, beach, and billboard is offering the service of another attorney. By asking the right questions and looking for the right credentials, you shall be able to narrow the field down one that is right for you. What is their experience? Many personal injury attorneys focus on a practical type of case. Some handle works compensation case, others handle class action lawsuits against manufacturers, and others handle car accidents. You want to find an attorney that has a lot of experience with car accident. Look for a lawyer who has taken cases all the way to trial. In the unlikely event your case does not settle before then. Of course, with this experience, there should be a winning track record of getting opportunate settlement and judgment for insurance companies. What are the fees? It's no secret that attorney costs a pretty penny. You want to find an attorney who work and contingency, meaning they don't make any money until you get your settlement or judgment. Most personal injury attorney work for a percentage of the final award amount. This is the typically around 33% and the potentially more if your case goes to trial. You shall also probably be responsible for costs such as filing fees and expert witness fees. Read the lawyer fee agreement closely so you understand what you are responsible for. Don't make the decision solely on the fee. If they re the best, they may be worth the extra money. Read more. Car accidents lawyers fee